guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and for my new subscribers, welcome as well. For today's video, it's gonna be different again. I seen this hack and I think it will help all of you guys like with oily skin. I know I've said I don't have oily skin, but I do get oily like right here and then down my T-zone. That's the only place. So I heard that it's supposed to last like all day, the entire day. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out for you guys, and then I'm gonna wear it throughout the whole day, and then I'll be back and show you guys, you know, like if it is gonna work or not, like what my thoughts are, what my opinion is. But if you guys are interested in knowing about this hack and what it's all about, stay tuned and keep on watching. So this is gonna be perfect because I'm gonna go to church, so I'm getting ready and I'm gonna test it throughout the whole day, like see if it does help. If it does, it's gonna be a go-to, you guys. If not, well, at least we tested it out. It's been going around all over social media, so I wanted to try it out. I was like, I'll try it out for you guys. So they say to apply translucent powder, not baking powder, translucent powder. The translucent powder is a little bit thinner. It's not as thick as the setting powder. I mean, you can, I've seen girls try it with like translucent powder and baking powder. It's kind of the same thing, but I did hear that the translucent powder, it does work a little bit better. So the translucent powder that I'm going to be using today is going to be the Pretty Vulgar, and this one, I believe we did receive it in the BoxyCharm. So I'm sure a lot of you girls do have that subscription and you guys did receive it. Okay, so the hack is all about applying the translucent powder before your foundation. It sounds so crazy, like I haven't even tried it, and I've seen videos of other girls doing it and it actually makes their skin look really flawless. But I actually want to try it out for myself to, you know, so I can come back and let you guys know about my opinion. So pretty much you'd be applying it all over, like if you're baking or setting your concealer and your highlight. So I'm not gonna apply no primer because I've heard also that it is kind of like a primer for your foundation, and it helps a lot better if you don't apply any other primer. Hopefully this does work because I know a lot of you guys do have oily skin and it's so hard to keep your foundation throughout the day without getting oily. Okay, and then like I wanted to show you guys this real quick. Look how awesome this whole set of Real Technique sponges are. I got it on sale at my HEB store and it was supposedly $23.99, which is still not bad because I believe like 2 sponges now is like 10 something, so maybe like 11 with taxes. Here, I know, here it is. And I seen all this and I was like, oh my god, and it was already on sale, so I got it for $9 for all these sponges. It actually tells you like in the very back like what they're for, what you can use them, so it's pretty cool. Like I'm even skeptical about this. I'm like, how are you gonna apply foundation like on top of this? Let's go ahead and try it. It's supposed to make your skin, your skin like flawless and like kind of like a glass kind of look. It's actually looking really smooth right here. I'm not doing this so fast because I'm trying to get everything. I don't want to go to church and then be having like half my face all white. Oh my god, it's actually making my skin look really soft. I like. But that still doesn't prove the test. The test is that it's for, you know, like oily skin and all that stuff. So we'll see. But seriously, like seriously, my skin looks so flawless. Wow. Seriously, wow. Like, I'm not trying to make this up because I'm being sponsored or anything. Like, it's just a hack. But right here and right here looks so smooth. Hopefully it does work like throughout the day. That would be so awesome. And it would be like a new way of getting your skin so flawless with you having oily skin. Oh shit. Oh my god, I seriously love this. I love how it made my skin look. I like. I really do. So far. I don't know if you guys can see. but literally my skin looks so freaking flawless. Let me zoom in. So now from here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer, but I don't know how that's gonna go because I just applied some translucent powder and then foundation and then the concealer. Hopefully it doesn't look clumpy, oh my god. So I'm going in with my 03 medium light concealer from Milani. I really hope this doesn't mess up my flawless look. You guys, FYI, this freaking sponge is so bomb too. It's like so soft. Okay, so now the real test. I'm gonna apply my translucent powder. It looks bomb. I was seriously so skeptical about this because you know it's too much product, but it looks so good. And it feels really, really good too. The creases, I don't know if you guys can see, but I always have creases, like no matter what. I always like read on it, Google it, and I've heard, and so many makeup artists have said, like if you have creases under your eyes, like no matter what, you're always gonna have them. You like, no matter what you do, what you apply, you're always gonna have the creases, so that doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished my face. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go to church and, you know, do some errands and stuff, and then maybe like in 8-10 hours I'll be back and I'll let you guys know like how it did like throughout the whole day. But all right guys, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been about like 9 hours. That's what Javier said.
I sure did, yeah.
Okay, yeah, like 9 hours, and my makeup still looks good actually. So, but I'm gonna test it out real quick. I'm gonna turn off the lights and then I'm gonna take a picture with the flash, and then we're gonna see. We're gonna really test it out.
I'll see.
Turn it off, Javier.
Here we go.
The only reason he's here is because I'm scared. So I told him to stay here.
Let me come on the camera.
No, sir.
I don't know why.
Okay, guys, no, It made my face look like super white, like a ghost. If you guys do go out at night and take pictures, like you guys are gonna be looking like a freaking ghost. Okay, so you guys can see my face literally looks like a freaking ghost. But other than that, my face still feels flawless. It still looks flawless. Like it just looks really smooth, and it's never looked like this before. Would I do it? I think I would, but just with like a different translucent powder, maybe like a darker shade. But other than that, I really, really liked it, guys. I really did. I loved how it left my face. It left it really smooth, and I didn't get oily from here. Like I haven't got oily, and it's been 9 hours already. So for me, this is definitely a big go. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to go ahead and try it. Like I said, it was just a hack, and I tried it and it actually worked. If you guys do have oily skin, you guys might want to try this out. It might help you guys. Just go ahead and try it with maybe like a little bit darker shade of translucent powder, and I think it might actually work for you guys. But this is it for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to before you guys do exit this video, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.